All right, so Solana meme coins have dominated the narrative in 2024, and I'm expecting much of the same into 2025 because nearly every single day we see stories about how a Solana meme coin trader turned $160 into millions of dollars. We see how they've turned thousands of dollars into tens of millions of dollars, and this is a pretty common story, especially in the Solana meme coin space, because if we're looking at the last 30 days, there's dozens of projects that are having massive returns. Like Just a Chill Guy saw over 1,500% return in the last 30 days. Send is up 725%. Mad is up 184%. And so when we're looking at all these projects, that is why I'm always trying to find some big projects. And recently I've been doing a bit more research over on Mad, because if you look at Mad has seen a pretty exciting chart, let's just say, over the last few months, because this project has been around since early July, right around July 3rd. And the project had that initial rally at the beginning, broke through that record high, and had consolidation for months and months around $10 million market cap. If we switch this to market cap, we can see that it says, look, it's been consolidating at that $10 million market cap between 8 and $12 million for months and months. And for a project like this, which has seen consolidation, which has been able to break through highs, which is continuing to show strong technicals in terms of price movement, that's exactly what you like to see for a meme coin, where we saw this nice support right here. Then we saw it break through this high right here, and now it's retesting these levels that we're at right now, like those previous highs that we saw back in July. So this is exactly what you like to see, where there's new record high, bit of a consolidation, another record high, then a bit more of a consolidation. And then this process has repeated itself over and over again, and this is one of the recipes for a billion-dollar project, especially in the meme coin space, because if we're looking at it, there's over 62,000 holders for MAD, which is something that is very, very exciting. I think it easily could be the next Brett, on Solana's blockchain. I think it could be a billion-dollar project, and if we're looking at MAD, they are also investing heavily into content creation and into their community, because if we look over on Twitter, for example, they have 88,000 followers. They are always posting about when they're live on new tier 1 exchanges, how they have plans of, they listed on Gate, they listed on MEXC. They talk about, everything going on with the community. But not only this, what really stands out to me is in terms of their Instagram, because on Instagram, Mad is doing some pretty impressive things. They're always posting different videos, how they are continuing to grow and what they're doing just to gain more attention, more of an audience. Because if we're looking at it, this video got 20,000 likes from July. This video had 266,000 likes from July 26th. We could see this video right here with a Lambo. This one had over 4,000 likes. And we could see that this is something that they've been continually building and posting and putting a lot of work into content, which is exactly what you want to see as an investor. And they're getting really good amount of views. You can look at their Instagram. They have 85,000 followers there, and they get tens of thousands of views on every single reel, which is so unheard of, especially for meme coins. I don't see any other meme coin that's posting reels on Instagram and attracting this type of attention. Literally no other project is doing this. So I am really excited about that. On top of this, if we're looking at MAD, they also recently announced back in a couple days ago that they had officially been integrated with the best in crypto. The MAD vibes just leveled up with integrations across some of the biggest names in the game. These are integrations, not centralized exchange listings. So they had Coinbase Wallet, OKX Wallet, Bybit Official, and Binance, Forbes, Crypto.com, On-Chain Wallet, and Gate Web3 Wallet. It says these platforms don't hand out trust easily, and MAD has earned its spot through the relentless hustle, proving its place in the future of crypto. So all of these things make me so excited about the future for MAD, because it's a project that has been continually gaining more and more support, putting out good content on Instagram and developing a niche on Instagram that you don't see for meme coins. And they're simply gaining all of these major partnerships. We could also see that they're going to become the biggest IP born as a meme coin. That's what they've been talking about. They're going to try to make history and really build something that is so unique in the meme coin space. You could see how much effort they put into these videos and into this content, like to develop their own IP. And like the biggest IP born out of a meme coin, it's just something that's so unique and so exciting. And because of this, I think it's really why we've seen like key advisors for MAD, which have been part of like Pokemon, which is one of the biggest names all time in regards to IP. It's had the biggest global success, almost largest in terms of revenue. Like, these are things that simply cannot avoid looking at, because when you're looking at a meme coin project that's around a $35 to $40 million market cap currently, it makes me so excited about the future when you see all of these things line up between their content, between like over on Instagram. You can see all the videos on their Instagram gaining tens of thousands of followers. You could see major partnerships they've had recently over on X. You could see how they've had those big integrations as well with some of the biggest names in the crypto space. You could also see that they have advisors from Pokemon. Like, I don't know what else there is that would make a project successful other than every single thing that MAD has, because they have literally all of the boxes checked off, in my opinion. You could see that they have over 62,000 holders, which is really impressive. They have a $35 million market cap, and after the recent correction we've seen across the entire market, like we've seen Bitcoin drop around 10-15% recently, I think that this could be a project that is going to bounce very nicely off of a key support and start to rally higher. So this is something that I'm going to be keeping an eye out on. I own quite a bit of a bag for this project, and I think it does have potential to be the like next Brett, but on Solana's blockchain, and could be the next $1 billion Solana meme coin. So I'll keep an update on what's happening. I'll give you guys a couple of videos coming up on what's going on with this project. I'm expecting big tier 1 exchange listings soon. Right now, they're only available on MEXC, Gate.io. Those are like the big ones, but I'm expecting some big tier 1 exchange listings coming in the near future, especially after this recent announcement with all of these integrations with Coinbase Wallet and Bybit and Binance. Like, I'm expecting some pretty big things moving forward.